Hi everyone, it's David here at Digitrains. I hope you're all well. Here's a new video of a recent sound installation completed by our new workshop team member John Dixon. This time on a Hornby Thompson Class 01. John used an LNER 2-cylinder tank active drive sound file on a Zimo MX645R and a DS100 iPhone style speaker. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to click like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. And if you are interested in getting decoders, sound or non-sound, fitted to your locomotives, please do get in touch with our workshop team on 01522 527 731 or via email johng@digitrains.co.uk. Thank you, and we'll see you again next time.